Oh my God. Wow! Oh my God. Hello everyone, welcome back to Food Review Club. We are here in Hitchin for a very, very special food review. For once, I want to shut up and let the food do the talking. We are in Bromsgrove at the Hangry Moose. Now, Pete from Hobbs Burger. Hello everyone, welcome to the West Midlands. I'm in Pershore to this place. Roly Poly Eats. This place is legit. They've got their own herd of cows. They're making their own smash burgers. They're doing everything. I'm not gonna lie, their menu combinations look sensational. The man, the myth, and the legend, excuse the wind by the way, has been knocking out some burgers that have really caught my eye. I'm like a social media magpie. I see it all. These burgers quite literally look insane. Burger fans, this is X-rated food pornography. This is the burger we've heard all about. DBS. Have a look at this. Wagyu patty, gherkins. Look at this, look. Look at the softness of the bun. Look at it. Wow. I love my job. I'm actually excited. Oh my God. Let's try. Here we go. Wow! Oh my God. Wow. Looks like I've got a tear in my eye. That's goosebump food.
What are we saying then?
That's unbelievable, mate. We've got a flavour tornado going on. It's all happening. The cheeses are coming through. Wow, look at this. Look at that. Got pastrami up there, giving me that salty, great flavour. The mustard. Oh, the pickles. It's one of the best damn burgers I've ever had in my entire life. Do the flavours work? Oh my God, yes. Look at that. Every aspect of this, including the 65 different rounds of burger buns that he's probably made to get to this point, is gone to the 10th degree. Oh, that's emotional food. I'm standing here now feeling proud that there's a place in England that you can get, in the UK, world, that you can get food like this from a takeaway. Smash burgers like this, crunchy, crispy, caramelised beef, all the juicy sauces going on. Now let's get this bacon out. Smashed burgers of the highest order in the middle. Bacon separating the two. Man's delivering a sales pitch and a half here right now. I don't think burgers are going to taste the same after this. This is the real deal. Look at the crispy onion on there. Have you ever seen anything like it in your entire goddamn life? Does this stack up? Oh my God, yes. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That's the caramelisation we keep talking about. You can taste it in the flavour. Look at it. Look at the bun. Look how soft this bun is. Look at that, guys. Look at the jam on it. It is flawless. As a place, Roly Poly Eats, take a bow. Take a bow. I'm a little bit speechless. The Hangry Moose. Wow. These two are quite simply exquisite. I'm speechless. I'm genuinely speechless. They're different. They're funky. I love them. I'm going to give these a 9.2. Yeah, massively, mate. I think this is a 9.4, 9.5. Let's go 9.5. I'm going to give this a 9.7. This is my third ever 10 out of 10. Some of the best goddamn burgers I've ever had in my entire life. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was another review. This is the real deal. And that is a review. I don't know where you can go from there, which is weird. And that's a review. Cheers, everyone. And that's a review.